How to get rid of hiccups from our friends at HooplaHa, a great inspiration. Hiccups can be a delight to watch and maybe even fun to experience personally. We all know they can be tough to get rid of. Here is some cute advice on how to get rid of those pesky hiccups. If you're hiccuping right now, tip to accomplish. This video was originally published on www.naturallysavvy.com. Next, read Trump administration sanctions Russia for election interference and cyberattacks. The Trump administration sanctioned 19 Russians and 5 Russian entities on Thursday, March 15, for attempted election interference, cyberattacks, and intrusions into critical infrastructure. The Department of the Treasury will block the property. Read more. A growing chorus objects to Confucius Institutes that American universities. A Massachusetts lawmaker is the latest dissenting voice against the presence of Confucius Institutes on American college campuses. Managed directly and funded by the Chinese regime, Confucius Institutes, CIS, have been criticized by concerned. Read more. Tariffs, Trump's prelude to ending unfair trade practices. President Donald Trump's new tariffs on imported steel and aluminum look like an effort that goes beyond its stated rationale of preserving national security. The tariffs could be the first of a number of. Read more.